E E. What is up for the next video of sound pressure? As you can see right here, I have setting up the receivers. Now, anyways, as you can see right here, I set up everything like 3 speakers and hooked it up through the receiver, because I'm now changing the receiver itself to a digital cinema sound. I'm changing it to a surround sound speaker. So as I'm watching the movie, I'm still gonna keep it on max volume. So like that, 'cause I want to see 3 speakers is not blowing up the speakers. It's just like the previous video that I usually end up blowing up the guitar speaker using the receiver that I have before. And now I'm going to do the same thing that I usually do all the time. And this is gonna be very funny. So this is gonna be very funny as hell. Anyway, so what time is it? 17. I mean 7:18. So yeah, what I would do before I put a movie, I'm going to play my music on the speaker. Now that 3 speakers are just setting up now, and I have put it into a surround sound mode on the receiver itself. So, and now everything is setting up. So what I'm gonna do now is to play music. So like that. Now I have set up 3 speakers. Two of them are just stereo, and the center is in the middle, in the back of the TV. So hopefully you hear the center speaker playing on the back of the TV. So anyways, yeah, let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale. Amplifier can blow the speakers, just like a gun, just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers, just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey. It reminds me of how hard that I try. Work it out really hard, up to maximum range. I like to go and be rich, making millions and millions. Yeah. I have to go to work and make like millions and millions. That's why I think it's important. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun. Just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun, just like a gun. Oh, hey, amplifier can blow the speakers. Just like a gun, just like a gun. Oh, hey. I would just be mad, anything would happen. I would turn it on max, blow the speakers really hard, add extra bass, feel the beat in this track. Yeah, I'm being concerned that anything happened importantly. Being so right and things so negative in my mind, yeah, too much pressure. People were fighting, they had the gun, and I stressed out, and I really want to go to the therapy to help me calm down. People want to get rich, I want to get rich too. I wish I would start a job so I can make some money today. I'm pretty surprised that people are working hard to make some money yet. I don't have a job yet, but it's important for me to get rich.
after that, and then after 7:30, we're gonna I'm gonna put on a movie to watch. And imagine if we had the movie theater, you hear the crystal clear sound from the surround sound speaker. Anyways, yeah.
Pray for the guy. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind, so I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind, yeah. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind, so I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind. I do not want to stay here forever. I want to stay alive for good. Even though life it could be nothing special, perfect for everyone. I pray for the God for Jesus. My feelings in my heart is true. Let's go. As long as I can stay, I will be okay. I want to live in earth forever. Right in my head, 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 right in my head. And the Jesus come after me. I'm the only one that ain't go to heaven. We will go to church and sing as a choir. We already just got there in church. My mind is going positive. I hope that Jesus is doing good. Bible said, Lord, this is my strength. I promise Jesus you are giving hope. I had freedom from the countries. Let's go. I was born as a slave for the God. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind, so I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind, yeah. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind, so I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind. I was up and I prayed day and I hear music and my feelings. I would dance, I would eat, I make myself feel better. Music will help feeling better. One day I will listen to Christian music. No one singing choirs make me happy. I hear the music playing during church. My feelings in my heart is true. I want to live in earth forever. God. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind, so I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind, yeah. I woke up in the morning every day. I pray for the God that's in my mind, so I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind. Negative in my mind. Negative in my mind. So I don't have to think about negative in my mind. Negative in my mind.
Here's what's coming up next. Party Girl. One more single, one more song at last, and it's time for the movie.
Girls just wanna have fun. Yeah, girls just wanna have fun. Yeah. All the girls is ready to the club. I cannot wait to join the group of girls. That would be my first time meeting up some girls in the party. All the party girls who are so pretty. My feelings are going way too deep. Every time I look at them, that would be good females. I could just walk around and try to just talk to her. I cannot wait, I'm talking to girls. I can't help myself, I continue to look at her. I wish I would be best friends in the cage here real quick. I cannot wait, I'm talking to girls. I cannot help myself, I continue to look at her. I wish I would be best friends. Yeah, I cannot wait for girls to invite me over. My feelings going deeper. I can look at her face. Her face is too pretty. I like to look her fancy. Showing up for single female. Every time I look at her, I'll describe what a female can do, what it feels like. She can go ahead and look fancy. I don't have no problem. But here's the fact, I'm 20 years old. I make sure I feel confident. In 2021, I don't leave my dad's house multiple times. Get myself together. I'm sick and tired of spending money traveling to backwards avenues. This could be weird. Never talk to girls, yeah. I cannot wait, I'm talking to girls. I can't help myself. I continue to look at her. I wish I'll be best friends and engage her real quick. I cannot wait, I'm talking to girls. I cannot help myself. I continue to look at her. I wish I'll be best friends. Girls.
Alright, it's movie time.
We come to this place for magic. We come to AMC theaters to laugh, to cry, to care. Because we need that, all of us. That indescribable feeling we get when the lights begin to dim. And we go somewhere we've never been before. Not just entertained, but somehow reborn. Together. Dazzling images on a huge silver screen. Sound that I can feel. Somehow, heartbreak feels good in a place like this. Our heroes feel like the best part of us. And stories feel perfect and powerful. Because here, they are. AMC Theaters. We make movies better.
AMC is thrilled to welcome you back to the movies with our new AMC Safe and Clean initiative. For the most contactless experience, get tickets on our app or website. At the theater, masks are required. Please wear your mask and maintain social distance before, during, and after your movie. Our menu is temporarily simplified for quicker service, and the classics are ready to order. We thoroughly enhanced our cleaning procedures and upgraded to HEPA filter vacuums and MERV 13 air filters. New electrostatic disinfectant sprayers are used in auditoriums before each showtime. All auditorium capacities are reduced to allow for social distancing. Masks are still required in the auditorium unless you're enjoying food or drinks. If you're uncomfortable in your seat, feel free to move to a socially distanced seat after the movie starts and enjoy the show. Thank you for helping us keep AMC Theaters safe and clean. We look forward to seeing you soon at AMC.
This is your mission.
No, this is an envelope.
We're all gonna die! I don't know anything.
Do you think I'm an idiot? Really? This is the most important scene and your cell phone rings? Huh. This is why we don't make movies.
Why is it still counting?
Your safety is important to us, so remember, keep an eye on your valuables. Be sure to report any suspicious behavior, and please take a moment to find the exit closest to you. In case of emergency, walk out of the building and move far away. At the movies, the feature is on the big screen, so please remember, don't text, don't post, don't talk,
Do you want to watch?
don't ruin the movie. Thank you. Now, let's take a look at what's coming soon to an AMC near you.
Yo, what's up? It's me, Samuel L. Jackson. I play a samurai cat in the new animated theatrical film, Paws of Fury, The Legend of Hank. Meow! That means roll it. What?
It would change everything.
Sounds like you need a mentor.
Perhaps the once great samurai who has fallen on hard times and maybe could use some help himself. But where can I find one?
Don't believe everything you read.
Blackland animation.
You have to do something!
You're under arrest.
You wanted to be a samurai. Fun, isn't it? Now go get him. Sorry. I'm Wade.
I'm Ember.
really cute photo at home one time, and I got like a little piece of the kitchen counter fumbled. But with the magic eraser, you can just make a little circle on that dent, and it'll erase. My name is Sheena, and I have a Google Pixel.
At the movies, the feature is on the big screen, so please remember, don't text, don't post, don't talk,
Do you want some coffee?
don't ruin the movie. Thank you. And to our millions of AMC Stubs members, a very special thanks to you. We hope you're enjoying your status, exclusive benefits, savings, and rewards. Show at AMC.
It's too loud. I'll be back for the next video. I got a shower.